Hello, welcome to CSE 7013, Advanced Mathematics for Computer Scientists, an online class. My name is Zizan. I'm a part-time computer science professor at Fitchburg State University. I will be your instructor for this semester. If you would like to know more about me, please check the faculty information on the blackboard. I'm confident that I will get to know each one of you better as the class progresses. It is great to connect with each one of you and you embark on this fantastic semester. Before we start the class, I would like to talk about the Blackboard. The Blackboard is the education tool widely used in many universities, including the Fitchburg State, which is known as the Learning Management System. So if you have any question or problem with the Blackboard, you can contact IT department and their number is 978-665-4500. So throughout this semester, I will use the Blackboard to post class information. Please check the Blackboard on a regular basis. First link to check is the syllabus. Okay, it's already posted here. I will show you a version. Note that this is a very short semester. We will have just 5 weeks, and basically you will have the two assignments each week. So you will have basically 3.5 days to work on. However, I will give you about a week at time and ahead of time, so you virtually have a week to work on each assignment, even though you're turning on one assignment every 3 days, say. So, very short semester. Please check the syllabus regularly. And because we have a short semester, so the lateness penalty for the assignment is reduced to 1% per day. If you are 10 days late, you were going to get an A, so now you get almost a B. So 10 days. You don't want to get 10 days late on your assignments. So just keep working hard and turning assignment on time. Well, I will try everything to keep the schedule, but on some occasion, since I'm teaching this 5-week class for the first time, I may have to make some adjustment if I have to as time move along. Okay, please check the syllabus regularly. Second link, which actually is very important on the Blackboard, is the course contents, the modules. The second link you want to pay attention to is the course modules. You start from course document. The course material are organized in these modules. Each module contains notes, videos, and other material related to each part of the class. It is a folder if you are a computer scientist. Please check this on a regular basis. That's the main part of the course. And while you are all graduate students, each of you have your own effective way of study stretching. Allow me to offer my guidance or suggestion tailored to this course. My suggestion to you is to start with the video lecture. Okay, for example, this first one, you will start with the late video lecture first, and just like a class. And then you move it down to closed notes, the class notes, also posted here. The notes over here, and it's equivalent to a textbook. So the notes, and to read through, if you are a reader, a visual learner or reader, depending on what your habit is, you may want to read a textbook, and this is the notes. And then And then after that, and then you will work on the handout, the class handout. It's also in the module, and work on the exercises. So then handout, and then once you have basic understanding and mastered skills and the materials, and then you move on to the assignment. So then the sequence I'm suggesting is the video lecture, and then the notes to read, like the textbook, and then the exercises in the handout, and then you work on the assignment. Of course, obviously, you all have your own unique background to study, and you have your own study habit. Feel free to adapt and modify your own approach, and remain flexible. I recall in my graduate school experience, where students just alternating between video lectures, notes, assignment, and refine their understanding. You may have several iteration cycles being back and forth before you finally complete each module. So, explore and choose the best study method that's suitable for you. And the third link is another link is the discussion board. Periodically, I will post some interesting questions like brainstorming, a discussion question, and some games, just for fun and for you to get interested in this field. You are already. Okay, and then you may give you a chance to provide your answer, to share your answers with others, and also the discussion board is when I see many have same question about a particular challenging homework question, I will give some hint through the Blackboard. And you also, if you have a question about these homework questions or about lecture, some part you don't understand, or some information, and just go through the discussion board. Feel free to start your own thread and go for discussion board. But the discussion board is just solely for discussing computer science pertaining to this class, not anything else. Okay, of course, everybody is already civilized discussions, and that's a discussion board. Check this link on regular basis. And the last one, actually, is the important one, is the assignment. If you look at this assignment, okay, it's posted there in this link. And then make sure you don't miss any homework, quizzes, and other assignment and other tests. As you see in the syllabus, we have one midterm and a final, okay, in this short semester. Don't make sure they all be posted in here. One word about working on the assignment and test. You can work independently, or you can get together and discuss homework questions with your classmates and friends, so you can learn from each other and make progress. But you must make certain that you actually understand the topic and submit your own work. And identical copies of same homework are not acceptable. At least you must answer homework yourself and write the homework yourself. Okay. Also, about typing, some of you have kind of challenge typing and on paper, especially on the graph. You can work on papers and scan into a PDF format and submit. But in any way, in any method you prefer, but make sure your homework is legible, readable, and well organized. You're not trying to very sloppy, and make sure it's readable and legible. Okay, and well, that's it. And this is an online class, and all material will be delivered online asynchronous. You know what asynchronous means? Means you don't require to be in class at a specific time. That's very nice. But however, if you really want to speak to me in real time, I have to reserve some time. I have a virtual office hour once every week uh, through the Google meeting. So at this site, so you can think about that's a question and answer time, the office hour. So it's not required. Uh, it's not required you come, but that's Monday evening, 8 to 9. We'll be at this link, Google meeting. So it's here. And so, of course, if this time is not good for you and you do have a question and you want to talk to me, and we can make a separate Google appointment. And in that case, you'll need to email to me and we set up a time. Okay, I promise to uh, respond to your email within 24 hours. Uh, so I hope. I'm also a professor working at another institution, but I will guarantee to. So the communication channel are the discussion board, um, emails, and the meeting office hours. So that's and of course, you can always try to reach me through one of these channels. So if you have any question, and you can just feel free to send me emails and post a discussion board, and in whichever method you would prefer. Well, thank you. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. Enjoy your class and have a great semester.